Hello world, welcome to SG's ArtFusion. In today's video, I will be swatching the Brushmarker PRO and Pigment Decobrush from Karin Brushmarkers, which I received as a prize from the Karin Brushmarkers in a competition that was held by Karin Brushmarkers on Instagram. Here I have a box of the Brushmarker PRO Mega Box of 60 colors. These colors are very bright and very vibrant. The Brushmarker PRO also comes with a user manual which is very helpful. I have created this swatching card and I will be swatching each and every color individually in this swatching card. These markers are very juicy and they glided very smoothly on the paper. The Karin Brushmarker PRO are water-based brush markers. Look how bright and vibrant these colors look on the paper. I have never seen these many bright and vibrant colors together in a box. There are so many different bright and beautiful shades of colors available in these markers which are very useful and very convenient while illustrating. The Karin Brushmarker PRO Mega Box of 60 also comes with 3 colorless blenders. These blenders are very helpful for color and tonal transitions. You can take any colored marker and hold the tip of that marker on the tip of the blender and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. The blender will temporarily take the color of that marker. And this is how you use the blender. So here are the swatches of the Karin Brushmarker PRO set of 60. Now we will be swatching the Pigment Decobrush from Karin. Pigment Decobrush are acrylic based markers and they can work on various surfaces like wood, ceramic, fabric, etc. The Pigment Decobrush also comes with a user guide for help. Here I have the box of passion colors of Pigment Decobrush. There are 8 different sets of Pigment Decobrush available. There is an inbuilt swatching card on the box itself. These markers need to be shaked well before using them. These markers are so pigmented that they look equally bright on both light and dark surfaces. Just like the Karin Brushmarker PRO, the Karin Pigment Decobrush is also very smooth and juicy. The Pigment Decobrush has flexible tips which are very helpful while working on different surfaces. So here are all the swatches of passion colors of Pigment Decobrush. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.